Alright, here's a CAV 4.2 instrument. The typical connection of the Ethernet cable is to the back. This cable, however, actually connects using a jumper cable to the board inside the unit. There are two Ethernet ports, an active one that we have defined and an Ethernet port that we are not using right now. If the jumper cable is suspect of having a problem, or the connector at the back of the unit is suspected of having a problem, the Ethernet cord here can be directly connected to the card. Make certain that this cable seats properly. Press it in until the tab on the cable lifts, and this is tight. Then go ahead, put the module back in place. The cover does not need to be on, and then connect your Ethernet cord back to your network switch. No other change needs to be made to the software or the settings.